Take note of injector 1 all the way to the left, how the spray pattern is different and filling that viewing chamber differently than the others. Also take note of injector 1 and 4, 4 being all the way on the right, leaking. You can see the droplets forming and falling. This only happens over 5 bar of pressure on these though. Okay, in this video here, the injectors in position 1 and 2 are your original injectors, 2 and 3. And then on the right in position 3 and 4, these are the replacements.